Oh, I checked the boxes.
I was gonna get the clause number, Judge.
Oh, I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
Court is calling 2024 CR 3084, State versus Timothy J. McCormick Johnson. Can I have parties announced?
Jorge Canales for defense.
And are you Mr. McCormick Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of July 2025 and fair common practice, the defendants Timothy J. McCormick Johnson committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with previous conviction in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Be true.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison
Yes, ma'am.
and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there a proposed agreement?
Motion removed the defendant's community supervision and reform his judgment and sentence him to 7 years.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to consider continuing Mr. Johnson in this case. This is his first MTR. I know it's his second. The first one that he was allegedly breaking was, I believe the court heard this argument before. He was in TDC. He was sent to TDC when he was supposed to be reporting to probation, so he could not report. So in effect, it's his first MTR. He was put on ISF. He placed him on ISF, and
But no, he had I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm trying to figure out, because he had a previous motion to revoke on December 4th, 2024, and it was for a violation of condition number 1. I don't recall what that condition number 1 was, but the court denied the motion, altered and amended his conditions to include state ISF.
That's correct.
So this is his second motion to revoke.
And my first the first time they tried to give me the violation.
Oh, you want to raise your right hand if you
Oh,
wish to
yes,
speak?
ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Timothy Johnson, J. McCormick Johnson.
All right. Yes, what would you like to say?
So the day that I signed on probation, it was I brought it to the attention that I was on parole too, and the day that I signed on probation, I got violated and revoked from probation, so I got sent back to TDC. So therefore, I wasn't able to report for probation.
No, here's the thing. I'm not even focusing on the failure to report
Mhm.
because the state has waived that. But your previous, it's been brought to the court's attention. His previous motion to revoke from December, that was a violation of condition number 1, is for evading arrest. And so now we're back here.
Oh, that's from my first.
Mm-hmm. And
Oh,
on that one, when you pled true to that, what the court did was the court denied the motion to revoke, and the court altered and amended your conditions. And now you're back here for another evading.
I didn't even know I had the first evading arrest. I
No, I mean, you played true to it.
I did.
Mm-hmm.
I
And that
don't-
was in October.
I don't remember that, Judge. So I mean, I apologize. I really don't.
No. I mean, so, and that happened, that evading was alleged, well, I shouldn't say alleged anymore because you pled true to it. But that was committed on or about September 27, 2024. So you had that evading case. And then now we're back here for another evading a case.
Yeah, the first time I remember this one, I remember, and it was a bad judgment call. My even officer said that I should have just stopped. I probably got a ticket, but I assumed that a warrant because I missed a house visit. You know what I'm saying? And I missed a house visit probably because of work on that. You know what I'm saying? And like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right now. Like I may not say the right things, and I ain't like I told him I need his help. I'm asking you for your help. You know what I'm saying?
See, here's the thing. I don't know if probation is appropriate for you, and let me just tell you why. Because it appears that you have learned nothing. And let me tell you the reason why I say that. Because you were previously here before for a violation of condition 1, which was evading the police, right? And then you were continued. And now you're not even thinking, you're still evading the police.
No, I not thought I was evading the police. Actually, I am thinking I got a job, I got bills out there in my name. I'm doing good. I got a good probation officer. I just haven't had time to really work with him, man. You know what I'm saying?
Now the problem is you picked up a new offense, and this is the
I
second
know I
time.
did. I know I did. The first time I don't remember, so that I apologize. Like, I
Mhm.
mean, there ain't no excuse. That's why I admitted to. There ain't no excuse. I made a bad decision. I'm not on. I'm on. Like I went to ISF because I'm on. I'm on my meds. I got meds. I was on my meds in the world. But I'm doing good. Like I'm sober. Like I ain't got no drug problems, and
Mhm.
I'm doing good, Judge. I got a job. I got electricity and water bill in my name. I got a new residence I'm staying at. I'm not at Haven Hope for Hope no more. I'm actually doing good and got good things going for myself. I just made a bad judgment call on that day. I was probably high that day. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm sitting there, I asked the judge for help, and you offered me 2 years last time, or to go with an agreement on the stay in probation. 2 years would have been a blessing to anyone to take. But I
Mhm.
chose the probation because it's a challenge for myself, and I believe I could do it.
But see, here's the thing, you chose the probation, but you're still doing the same thing. That's a
I'm not doing the
problem.
same thing. I just made a bad call and made a bad decision on the same day. And I'm not trying to debate with you. Because y'all understand like stuff that I know, and I can only learn from y'all and others that are in a better position than I am out there in the world. You know what I'm saying? I got a good support system out there. I got my cousin, my boss. I'm in a new relationship. I got things I can lose now. And not just that, my own life is in your hands.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? And I understand that. I know I made it. No, I made it. No, I made a mistake.
Just one second.
No.
All right. So any questions, defense or state?
No, Your Honor.
Well, here's the thing, we don't shout in court, right?
Right.
You got to be respectful to your attorney and respectful to each other. All right. So, states you're recommending revocation?
Yes, sir. Based on the be true and what's reflected in the court's finding.
All right. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
Mm.
All right. So with regards to the court summary, the probation is recommending ISF, but the court has previously given you ISF. So I'm going to grant the motion. I'm finding violation of condition number 1 true, and the court will revoke. State, what are you asking for time?
And we're asking to reform the judgment and we're.
Defense?
But we'd ask you to consider 4 years, Judge. This is Mr. Johnson is very sorry for breaking the conditions again. We'd ask you to consider 4 years.
May I say something?
Yes.
I understand I just left ISF. I wouldn't have no problem going to there or any other program because it only gonna help me better myself, man. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of programs. It's an easy way out for me to go to if I get any time. And then it's not just that, like probably like I said, I lose my job, my bills. It affects my cousin because the bills are in his residence, they're in my name, so and I'm taking care of them. Um, so I wouldn't have no problem going to another program, DDRF, SATF, or ISF again, because I know that they got cognitive and also got a substance abuse side. And I went to the substance abuse side the first time. I didn't go to the cognitive side the second time, so I don't know if that would still be a possibility for me.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to give you credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed, and credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the following persons: community. There's to be no residing in households with minors, and the court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You'll have to ask the state. Counsel, is this an application? All right, probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2025 CR 010624, State versus Julian Araza Jr. Could I have parties announce?
In gallery for the state.
George Schaefer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Araza Jr.? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Araza, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we are waiving the punishment enhancement, and then we are moving to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of controlled substance, PG1 less than 1 gram.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am, I
And
did.
did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Aranza, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 77 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244 and an $800 fine, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the
Yes,
plea?
ma'am, correct.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
To the lesser included offense, how do you plead?
No, no contest.
State any evidence?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
There are a couple of things I'd like to say, Judge.
Yeah.
While he was out, he has completed the following 2 programs, in addition to which he has become baptized. He has been tested weekly. He's been clean. We ask the court to follow the plea agreement in this case, Your Honor.
All right, and does he still have contact with that apartment complex?
No, ma'am.
All right. All right. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 77 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's to be no contact with. Is this a judgment satisfied?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. The court will find that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand it and sign it in?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing up, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. You've done great things. You have to keep up the work. Don't backslide, because it's easy.
Yes, ma'am.
And if there are any friends who are telling you, oh, you don't have to do that today, you got to let it go.
I change people, places, and things.
Oh, and you know what I tell people? It's hard to change people, places, or things.
I mean,
But-
can I say something?
Yes.
I'm gonna help out the unfortunate as well too, where he's be Emerson's bail bonds on,
Mhm.
South Zamora and
Right.
Popular. Mondays and Thursdays, that's where I put my time at, feeding the unfortunate, the homeless,
That is.
at the impact center, so. I mean, that Shad Ministry's been good to me since I
Mhm.
got out. and-
Oh, I'm aware of them.
Yes.
Yeah, the pastor is
Yes,
great.
Robles. Yes, so he's real good. I do got a retreat coming up on the 13th that I will be attending.
Oh, you know what? Those retreats are always so great. So here's my question, because there's a relative, we always tease them. Were you baptized in a pool?
I was baptized in Corpus.
In a
We had to
pool?
flood the street in the ocean.
Oh, see, that is what I'm talking about. So we have a relative who was baptized in a pool in the church, and we would always tease them. Now, you don't know if you're really saved unless you're in a body of water and nothing bites
Yeah.
you. But congratulations. All right, have a great rest of your day, okay?
Bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, my goodness. See, you never know what's going to happen. You know, I was baptized in a creek, and of course, you know, I can't swim. So my mom was telling the deacons, y'all better not let my baby drown. But you know, you had to dodge over the cow patties to get to the creek. But I will tell you, even though I had my eyes closed, it was like I could see under the water and everything was clear. And I got up.
Are you ready for one?
Yes.
Page 3 at the bottom, Enrique Lopez.
Enrique Lopez,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Where's Mr. Lopez?
He's right there, Your Honor.
He needs to come down.
We had called her.
I was talking to Spears.
All right, what is happening with this case?
Your Honor, I'm just asking for a brief reset. We have all the discovery. I just haven't had time to look through it all yet. So I just need some time to review the discovery.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 3 weeks for disposition, please.
Did you on November 13th?
All right, we'll see you back on November 13th.
Would we be able to do that the following week, Your Honor? I'm scheduled to be out of town that day.
See something. All right, we can recall it on November 6th.
November 6th?
Mhm.
Okay.
All right, Nora, put it down for November 6th. All right, we'll see you back on November 6th.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Who's next?
I have John C. Lopez, page 2 down.
James.
No, which Lopez? John Castro Lopez has already been done.
Lopez.
Is it John Castro Lopez?
Yes.
Page 2 down.
All right. Mr. Lopez?
John.
Hello. So where are we on this case?
Judge, I filed a motion for continuance. I have, luckily, one of my cases that was set for trial in Comal County was reset this morning, even though I announced it. Then I have another case in the 437 set for trial this morning. And I'm asking that on top of it, I have an expert that needs to come to the district attorney's office to review the files and he hasn't been able to. He was just recently appointed a couple of weeks ago, I think, and I need to have him review the files with the district attorney and I need the continuance.
All right, so the court will see y'all here tomorrow for jury trial because this has been going on for a while with plea deadline dates. Plea deadline dates have been extended. And then we had a final plea deadline date. Then people wanted to jury trial. So Deputy Laura, he's to be brought tomorrow and dressed for trial.
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
We'll have a seat there. Do you want the motion for continuance, Judge?
No. All right, who's next?
I have James Rock. Page 9, it looks like one down.
James Ross. Is this a motion to revoke?
Do the motion, please?
Yes.
James Rock, thank you.
All righty.
Mr. Rock, Judge.
All right, we're set for contested hearing. State, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You're not ready. Judge, if that's appropriate to say at this time.
I mean, yes, but I mean, it's set for a contested, so it's going.
Well, I wanted to bring something to the court's attention, if I
Okay.
may. Mr. Ross and I, as the court was probably privy to, are not on the same page in very substantial ways. Such that I don't think that it would be productive or civil for me to continue representing him.
I mean, I understand what you're saying, counsel, but we were here in August and it was set for a contested hearing for October 9th.
mhm.
And then it was reset for today for a contested hearing. So
Right.
the state has their witnesses. We're going to proceed.
I guess I'll say this if I may. We're not getting along. I think it's very much affecting my wanting to and desire to represent him because I don't want to be cowered over and yelled at.
So here's the thing, you can't be yelling at people. That's it. So your attorney is here to represent you. You have a motion to revoke. You're on probation for possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. Your underlying is 8 years. So that means if the court were to find the allegations within the motion true, then you're looking at 8 years. Now, if you want to shout at your attorney, I don't know why you would do that. I don't know why you would raise your voice to your attorney. That's on you. But I can tell you what's in this motion to revoke. Just one moment.